So you want to see that go-kart I designed and built and made by myself when I was 16, 31 years ago? Well, that's going to be a chore. There's lots of snow, lots of lawnmowers in the way, and it's underneath that pile of lawnmower bags, underneath that blue tarp. Oh, I hope the tarp's not frozen to the ground. We'll see. Oh, it's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. Well, there it is. Doesn't look good. Maybe it's been sitting for more than 15 years. It was perfect when I put it away. Tires are destroyed. Oh, look at all the rust. 31 years underneath a damp tarp where the snow melts, runs in underneath of it. I guess, and the condensation can't get out. Gear shifter, I guess, still moves. Pedals are seized. Steering, well, it's seized. Speedometer glass is gone. There's a little Cadillac steering wheel center I put on. There's a keyhole where you start it. The air scoops, custom made gas tank with Honda emblem, homemade aluminum gas cap. Oh, that still works. Cool. Gas tank was painted in that color that Chrysler used in the late 60s, plum purple or whatever it was called. This exhaust a bit rusty. Scoops work really well for getting all that air in. Cool the motor. Now let's get a back shot. There she be. Tail lights are broke off of it, I see. Wonder where they went. Those were those two eye looking things. That's where they used to be. That's the air cleaner housing. I bet you those carbs are real dirty and the points are dirty too. Exhaust is rusty but not rusted through. It's got drum brakes as you can see over there. Oh, let's see if it's seized. It is electric start, but it also has a kickstart which you can still use. Oh no, goes down and feels normal. Good compression still. Valves aren't stuck. Yeah, she'd start, but it's awful cold out here. Huh. Yeah, I guess she'd for sure run. Like bike engines, the sprocket comes out the back where the chain is. Well, I wanted to make a shorter wheelbase go-kart, so I cut the bottom of the block and ran the chain straight down because the axle is directly below the engine, and that actually worked out fine. Never seen anybody else do it like that before. Tires are Austin Mini tires from those old cars that you used to sell in Canada with 10-inch rims. That's back in the days when my first car was a Cadillac, so for me everything was Cadillac. But I did have the Cadillac of go-karts back then for just a young kid, that's for sure. I feel like an old man now. Do I look the same 32 years later? I'm 48 now, you know, not 16 anymore. Gee, does kind of bring back memories. Oh well. Beep, beep.